Imagine arriving at your private retreat every single day, where mornings begin with open skies, soft light, and complete stillness. Where every villa opens to space that feels truly your own. Private greens, wider horizons, and a rhythm that flows slower, better. 75% open spaces, where nature becomes a part of your everyday living. Thoughtfully curated amenities, a lifestyle that feels less like a residence and more like a getaway. Introducing Vishwanath Sanidhya Villa, living crafted around you.